All right, it's came with S&B filters, and today I'm going to show you how to install the S&B replacement filter for your Speed UTV. To start, this is a cleanable media, meaning it can be blown out with compressed air, washed out with water. Well, to start, to get out the OEM filter, you can come over here and check out this. Simply just pull out the red latch, change it to the open position, take out the OEM filter. So now after you have the OEM filter out, you'll want to index the S&B filter into the bottom. So this is a tight fit, and it's a tight fit, and it's designed that way so it indexes the filter into the perfect center of the housing. So now that we have it pressed in, you can center it up, and then it's going to locate onto that flange all by itself. Then this arrow should be at the open, so we'll back it off. Now that it's at the open, we'll rotate it to the close and close down the red latch.